Welcome to Avantier, where we use cutting-edge technology to create high-performance optical solutions. We will walk you through our lens production process, which shows the manufacturing steps that bring your vision to life. At Avantier, we employ advanced software tools like SolidWorks and Zemax to create precision optics and optical system assembly designs. After designs are finalized, we move to the production process. Our skilled technicians utilize a range of advanced equipment, including precise cutting, automated grinding, advanced polishing, high-precision MRF polishing, and CNC machining. This allows them to transform raw materials into high-quality optical components. Every step ensures superior accuracy and consistency, meeting the strictest industry standards. Next, each component undergoes a meticulous ultrasonic cleaning process. High-frequency sound waves ensure every optical surface is free from contaminants, maintaining the highest quality. Following cleaning, we apply specialized coatings to enhance optical performance. These include anti-reflective coatings, high reflectivity coatings, filter coatings, and anti-scratch hard coatings, all tailored to optimize optical performance for specific applications. In our metrology lab, every component is inspected with advanced interferometers and other precision instruments. This guarantees that each product conforms to exact design specifications and consistently achieves exceptional quality. In our assembly process, we bring all the parts together. Our team assembles and aligns complex optical systems with absolute high precision. Avantier ensures that each optical system assembly is not only precise, but also reliable and capable of performing at the highest level in real-world conditions. As we celebrate our 25th anniversary, we are truly grateful for the opportunity to bring your optical vision to life and look forward to partnering with you to shape the future of optics. Like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video. Avantier, empowering optical innovations.